different direction. That is force, okay? And we have a large force and a small force, big and small. So A, this is elephant, okay. The
elephant is using a
big force or small force?
big force.
Okay, I'll write it in a minute. Just slow down, wait. Let's read, wait. Let's read and then we can write, okay? Right, look at B then. Look at this. What is this? Ant. What is this?
A leaf.
Leaf.
The ant
The ant,
can
push.
a leaf with a small force.
Okay. I think the ant's got a big force. The weight of that to his body, but it's relatively small, okay? But an ant can lift something like 5 or 10 times its own weight, its body weight. So it's very, very strong. But it's only a small force relative to an elephant. Right, C.
I can move either with a small force.
Small force because of the lever.